Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, tag away, tag everything. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for subscribing. And today's video, like I promised on the last video, I'll be making a video on the latest Samsung Galaxy S25. First impression on it. Yeah, so enjoy the video. Okay, so this is the Samsung Galaxy S25. By the looks of it, you might find it hard to find the differences between this and the S24. But actually, there are some differences, like they make it thinner by 0.4 millimeters and about 6 grams lighter, if I'm not mistaken. So definitely feel slightly lighter compared to S24. And the camera ring design is, they took inspiration from this Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. So right now they have the same design, like they unify the whole design language. It looks okay, you know. I prefer the old Samsung Galaxy design, but anyways, that's a long story. As for the color, this year it's the same thing, 7 different color variation, and 3 of them are the exclusive color. You can only get it from the Samsung website once again. So the color that you can get it on store will be the navy, ice blue, silver, shadow, and mint. And the exclusive will be the blue black, coral red, and pink gold. Yeah, unfortunately, there's no like a dummy set to showcase the color here. Pretty sure in other store you will be able to see that, but not at the Curve shopping mall. All right. The biggest upgrade I would say is the processor. So right now, unless you are living in US, where you will get the Snapdragon, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, in Malaysia and or in Europe, you can only get the Exynos processor. But right now, you get the Snapdragon processor 8 Elite, the flagship processor, in the cheapest Samsung Galaxy S25. So you don't need to get the most expensive one, which is the S25 Ultra. Nobody likes the Exynos processor. I think Samsung get the message, yeah. That's why they dropped the Exynos processor for the S25 and the S25 Plus. Yeah, so that's a good news for everyone. You can get it on the smallest phone, which I like it very much. This is the 6.2 inches, same resolution, same peak brightness as the S24. I can't believe I'm going to say this, is that this is actually small by the today's standard. It used to be a huge, you know, back in a few years ago, this is phablet, phone and tablet. Remember that term? Yeah, so I like this, I would say, form factor is because it's very light, very compact. You know, you can hold it with single hand, you know, doing this from top to bottom very easily. Yeah, 6.2. It's also running the latest Android 15 with One UI 7 on top. Samsung promised to have at least 7 years of Android software upgrade. So same goes to the S25 Ultra, the whole lineup. As for the camera, Samsung added the AI Pro Visual Engine inside, but the hardware, the camera hardware, is still the same as last year. 12 megapixel selfie camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 50 megapixel wide angle with 2 times optical quality zoom, and 10 megapixel of telephoto lens, 3 times optical zoom. And for the video side, it can shoot up to 8K 30 frames per second. That's insane. HDR 10+, stereo sound, 10-bit HDR, etc. And the price wise is actually 100 ringgit cheaper than last year model. So instead of 4,099 ringgit from the last year S24, with the base model 128GB storage and 8GB of RAM, now you're just gonna pay 3,999 ringgit for 256GB and 12GB RAM as the base model. So they double the storage and add 4GB RAM more to the base model. So that's a good value. Yeah, so if you have S24, you don't need to upgrade, because S24 is still a good phone, but the S25 is like a S24s, so they upgrade a little bit, but if you never own a Samsung Galaxy S series, right now is the time to do it. Yeah. As for the battery capacity, is still the same as last year model, 4000 milliamp. And right now, if you pre-order it, you get the same treatment as the S25 Ultra and the S25 Plus, which is you can get the 512 GB of storage at the price of 256 GB. So 3,999 ringgit, you can get the 512 GB. So after the pre-order, you won't able to get that price anymore. You need to add like 400-500 in ringgit. I'm talking in ringgit. As for the S25 Plus, it's basically the same compared to the S25. It's just bigger size, bigger screen size, and bigger battery capacity. So yeah, the battery capacity is the same as last year. The screen size is also the same as last year. The screen technology is the same as the last year. Yeah, it's just the processor is different. You know, they upgraded the processor. The camera is still the same and lighter, thinner. That's it. Yeah, basically just smaller and bigger S25 Plus phone. Samsung Galaxy S25 is my favorite phone out of these three, the 25, the 25 Plus, and the Ultra. I like the 25 because of its form factor. You know, I don't like a big phone. I would say that this phone is suitable for most of the population out there. You know, you are getting the latest and greatest processor with the cheapest price that you can get. Compared to the S25 Ultra, it's 1299, and this thing is like $700-800 US. Am I not mistaken? We should check it out. If you watch until this point, thanks for watching. Thanks for your watch time, your attention. I really appreciate it. So let me know, what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy S25 and the S25 Plus? Leave your comment down in the comment section below. And as always, remember to keep thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon, and share this video to your friends and family. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.